Very good morning to all of you. Today we will start the new topic tangent and normal. Before starting the topic tangent and normal, I want to discuss the last topic slope of line. What is slope? What is inclination? The different methods to find the slope of a line and the relationship between slopes of two lines. It is our line AB. AB is our line. AB makes angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis, and this angle theta is known as inclination. Slope denoted by m, and the trigonometric tan of this angle theta will be slope of this line AB. Second, if a line is parallel to x-axis, then inclination will be 0. In that condition, m equals to tan 0, that is slope will be 0. You must remember this. If line is parallel to x-axis, then its slope will be 0. If a line perpendicular to x-axis, then your inclination theta will be 90 degree and m equals to tan 90, that is 1 upon 0. Never write it as infinity, you will write it as 1 upon 0, because when we solve the questions and conditions are this, that is line is perpendicular to x-axis or tangent is perpendicular to x-axis, then you will consider its slope 1 upon 0. If a line passes through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, then slope of this line will be m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. With the help of this formula, you will find the slope. Now slope of a line ax plus by plus c equals to 0, when equation is given in that form, that is general equation, in the general equation form, then your slope will be minus a upon b, or you can say that minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. It will be our slope. And we know that if two lines are parallel to each other, then their slope will be equal, that is m1 equals to m2. And if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then what will be the relationship between their slopes? m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. You must remember all these conditions, that is conditions or rules to find slopes. Then we will start tangent and normal, because we will use the conditions of slopes to solve the questions under the topic tangent and normal.